Hello from Hollywood Studios.
Here we go! Yay! Whee! Look it! Look at Libby! It's fun! We're flying!
When I don't jump, when I don't want to.
You don't want
Mickey, that's you! Mickey, that's you!
I'm surprised it didn't tell us we were arriving at Hollywood Studios.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Believe it or not, we got stuck twice up there on the Skyliner. I've been wanting to see this view again. Up first, we're gonna go ahead and try and get on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Oh my, we're almost there, can't wait!
What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! I must have hit that track switch!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! Baby, right now! We got the sound moving all over! Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hi, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
No Muppet Vision today, but we're about to go into Batu. I can't wait at all. I don't have a boarding pass or don't plan on riding the Smuggler's Run, but I'm building a lightsaber today, and oh my god, this is amazing. Hey, Chewie.
There's the ramp right back there.
I just want one of everything. They even got a little baby Sarlacc with Yoda sitting on top. And there she is, the Millennium Falcon. Oh, not today, but one day soon we'll be back and do everything in here. Stormtroopers are still keeping order. Better stay away from them. Found the droid hangout. Well, the scrap droids. You just look how cool all that is. Got their heads as lamps. One of them's being interrogated there. Just so much to look at. Alright, getting ready to build my own lightsaber. Look for these banners when you head this way. It's a little bit hard to see, but we did find them. They also gave me this, which you need to redeem in order to start building. Alright, so here's the lightsaber I built. However, I have some issues with it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, because today we did a lot of firsts. We rode the Skyliner, we rode Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, I got to build my first lightsaber, as well as visit Batuu. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate if you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, next time we're going to take a look at our day at Magic Kingdom. Thank you guys so much for watching.